Loves? So today we're going to be filming this full face makeup look, and it was really inspired by Katie Lusterlux here on YouTube. She recently uploaded a makeup tutorial of like doing her smoky winged liner, and it made me think like how I used to do smoky wing liner all the time because I could never get my wing even on each side and just like never get it sharp enough or right. And if you smoke it out, you really can't tell if you mess anything up, and it just looks like really smoky and nice all the time. So if you ever have a trouble with your liner that day and it's not even or something went wrong, you could always just smoke it out to make it look good and you don't really have to change anything. But yeah, and so it inspired me to do this smoky winged liner look. Of course, mine looks way different from hers. They're totally, completely different looks. It was just inspired by her because like she made me get out of my comfort zone and want to do a smoky eyeliner tutorial, and so I came up with this look. It's going to be a full face makeup tutorial. And yeah, I had so much fun filming this for you guys. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you have any questions about it, just leave it in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe before you leave to my channel. No, but for real, subscribe before you leave. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so 3 times a week. And yeah, I would love for you guys to stay and be a part of my beauty family. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get into this makeup look. Okay guys, starting off with the eyes today, we're going to prime them using this Urban Decay Primer Potion in the shade Eden. Then we're going to take the Just Peachy Mattes palette from Too Faced, and we're taking Peach Meringue to go ahead and set that primer in place. Then taking Just Peachy from the same palette, we're going to be using this as a transition shade, so into the crease and above it. Then we're going to go ahead and take the color Peach Cobbler on a 217 brush and pack that into the crease. Then we're going to go ahead and take Peach Punch on a flat brush, and we're going to pack this all over the lid, up to the crease shade. Then going in with Peach Cobbler once again, just to go ahead and blend out those edges. Then for liner today, I'm taking my Kat Von D tattoo liner in the shade Trooper, and I'm going to do my usual wing. As you can see right here, I kind of already tried to do a wing, but I was using a gel and it was totally dried out, so I just switched to this liquid liner instead. Then I'm just taking a makeup wipe to go ahead and clean that up. Now taking the color Just Ripe from the same palette on a pencil brush, we're going to go ahead and mattify that wing with this shade. So pack it all over the wing just to get rid of that shine. Then we're taking a fluffy brush and just kind of blending it upwards. Then taking the color Chocolate Dipped on the same fluffy brush, we're going to put that on the wing and then buff it upwards in circular motions just like we did the other color. Now it wasn't as smoky as I wanted, so I went in with a black. This is Makeup Geek Corrupt, and we're just going to pack it onto the wing first just to make that darker. And then we're going to go ahead and go in with that fluffy brush once again with some more black and just kind of buff it in circular motions on top of the wing. All the way through, but mainly on the outer corner of the wing, if you know what I'm saying. Just so the outer corner is more smoky than the inner corner, but you still want to get all over the wing. Then taking Just Ripe on a kind of fluffy brush, but more angled, or not angled, pointy, we're just putting that into the crease. And then to go ahead and buff that out, I'm taking Peach Cobbler once again, and I'm just blending out that shade with this shade.
Talk back to you, say it like that. If I
Now moving on to the face, I'm going to take this Cover FX Mattifying Primer and I'm going to apply this all over the face. I wanted to use this one just because it has acne treatment in it, and as you can see by my face, I've been breaking out. And then I'm going to take this Cover FX Blurring Primer into the pores. I've never tried this primer, but I wanted to see if it would fill in my pores nicely, which it did, but it does have silicone, so I'm not sure if I'm going to keep using it, just depending if it breaks me out or not. Then I'm going to go ahead and take NARS Soft Matte Concealer, and I'm going to use this to go ahead and hide those veins under my eyes, and I'm also going to be using this to kind of sharpen up that, I can't talk today, sharpen up that winged liner. Now to go ahead and hide those pesky pimples, I'm taking my Makeup Forever Full Cover Concealer and mixing it with the green concealer to color correct and just applying that to my pimples. Now for foundation, I'm going to go ahead and use this Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation. I haven't used this in a while, so I'm just applying that to the skin. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my Morphe Contour and Highlight Sponge to go ahead and blend everything in. Then to go ahead and highlight and conceal, I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape and I'm just going to apply that under the eyes and also the center of my face and blend it out with the same sponge.
As the leaves start falling down and the shadows above the town, I can finally see you now.
Then I'm going in with my ColourPop contour stick in the shade Dove, and I'm just going to go ahead and contour my nose. And then I'm just going to let that kind of sit on my nose for a little bit. So attractive, I know. And then I'm just going to move on to setting my under eyes with my RCMA No color powder. And then I'm just going to go ahead and blend out that contour on my nose. Then to go ahead and bake the rest of the face, I'm taking my Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder and I'm just going to bake mainly the center of my face. Woo, sexy! Now moving on to the lower lash line, I'm taking some black and I'm just going to pack that on with a flat brush. And then blending out with the Just Ripe shade in a smaller pencil brush. And then to blend out that color, I'm taking Peach Punch on a more fluffy brush and just making it super smoky. And then I'm just going in right here with a clean blending brush just to buff out the edges. And I felt like it looked weird with my waterline nude, so I'm just lining it with a black liner. And then I'm just taking my MAC powder and I'm just going to buff away that bake. Now to go ahead and contour my face, I'm taking NARS Laguna per usual and I'm just going to go ahead and contour. To go ahead and blend out that contour and also warm up the face, I'm taking my BECCA bronzer in Capri Coast. Then for blush today, we're taking Tropic Hues from Laura Geller. To go ahead and set in my face and melt all those powders down, I'm using my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Then I forgot to highlight, so I'm going in with my BECCA Champagne Pop highlight on top of that setting spray, and it actually looked really nice. So I might do that more often. Just set my face and then go in with highlighter because it makes it look more like melted into the skin. Now I'm just applying a light coat of mascara to the top and lower lashes, and this is Bare Minerals Lash Domination Mascara. Then for lashes today, I'm using these Vegas Nay Bronze Beauty lashes. Then to go ahead and highlight the inner quarters and also my brow bone, I'm taking MAC Nylon. Now moving on to lips, I'm lining them with a pink neutral kind of lip liner. Then going in with MAC lipstick in the color, what's the color? Cream Cup. Totally blinked on that. And I'm just going to blend that in with the lip liner. And then for gloss, I'm going in with BUXOM White Russian right on top. And that is pretty much everything for this look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. It will mean so much to me. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys! Thinking of me, just like I know you should. You wanna make up the mind of you, asking the Lord. Say congratulations. Oh shit.